Hi friends, again welcome back to our YouTube channel English Academy. I am Ajay Kumar, the English trainer. See, really, a student of English need a basement. A student of English in the beginning has a lot of basic English problems. When a trainee or training center successfully solved these problems, then only he can get benefit from an institution or a training. It is depending on the student. Always it is depending on the student. It is not a general case. ഇതൊരിക്കലും പൊതുവായ ഒരു കേസ് അല്ല ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന്. ഇത് ഓരോ സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റിനും ഓരോ രീതിയിലായിരിക്കും ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Certain students came from Malayalam media and others from English media, and some students are from abroad. Some may work different aspects of life in abroad or in our country. So anyway, it is depending on the student's capability or circumstance or abilities that what are the basic problems of a student should be analyzed. Then only after analyzing these basic problems of a student, we just give tips to that particular student. Every student is different. Every student is different from others. And some students are facing difficulties to use auxiliary verbs. Some others have difficulty to starting trouble. They don't know how to begin a statement. When they get a good introductory, then they sustain and follow. Some others have difficulties in modals, using modal auxiliaries. Some others have difficulties to make questions. That is formation of questions. Some others always afraid of grammar and a different grammar portion. Always remember, grammar is not important. But there is difference between English and Malayalam. That should be understood. A person from Kerala, by learning English, he first realized the difference between his mother tongue Malayalam and the universal language English. Then the basic problems arise. So find out what are the basic problems of a student and give him solution. How to overcome these basic problems. Really, most of the students I can see that their basic problem is they don't know how to use the auxiliary verbs. They don't know the uses of different question words and the same time pronouns and different forms of main verb. And they don't know how to connect, link the clauses. So, begin, sustain and follow. That are the 3 steps to communication. So, when basic English problems were solved, then only a student gets confidence to learn English. I just say don't speak English, but learn English. Learning and speaking are different. Learning includes different aspects. Anyone can speak English, but learn English is different from speak English. So in the beginning, a student should learn what are his basic problems individually. Really, language is totally a personal problem. See, what are the problems of a person while learning English language? That should be understood. Then give solution to those personal problems. It is depending on the student. All are not alike. Different students have different problems. Some are totally coming from Malayalam. Totally they come from Malayalam conception. While others got opportunity to work abroad or study abroad. So, students of English coming from different circumstances, different situations, different contexts. See, depending on the student's circumstances or context, we should create a syllabus. That is the technique of English Academy that we follow. We create a syllabus depending on the student's circumstance or background. It is not alike. Then only we can improve his language. So, basic English problems are the real problems of an English student. Am I right?